Officer,
turn around
you're
and
putting
put your
hands on
hands
me. You're
behind
making
your
me
back.
uncomfortable.
I have not been detained.
We're going
I have
inside.
not been detained.
I will put you in handcuffs if you do not put...
From the woman thought everyone had to believe her
No, I didn't touch his neck. I didn't touch his
But he's got
body.
a small scratch.
It was not me.
to spoiled brat arrested after thinking she has special privileges.
This is crazy as fuck. This is kidnapping.
An entitled woman pushes officers to their limits and get the consequences.
Let go of me! I have done nothing wrong! I've never been arrested in my life, and what the...
These intense encounters prove that one reckless moment can change everything. Watch as when dumb entitled Karen think they're unarrestable.
But did you see in the camera that I didn't touch his neck?
Just have us. So the easiest way, yep, just step in.
On October 4th, 2024, an officer responded to a battery call and began investigating the incident.
So, this week, the same thing happened.
Okay.
And he got...
What, your vehicle got towed?
Yeah, not mine. So it was with a parent at the school that my kids goes to.
Okay.
So he was, he was doing the same thing. He always trying to do that. So I just came to see my friend. She was going to show me a place that is available for rent. He was here for 2 minutes. There is camera. You can check the camera.
That's a civil issue. The towing issue is a civil issue.
Yeah, no.
We don't
Yeah, I know.
involve in it.
But when I came, so I tried to go inside the car. He pulled my clothes. Okay.
Hold your clothes.
Yeah, trying to.
What is he saying to you?
He took. Yeah, you cannot go inside your car.
Okay.
Okay. And then after that, he started recording me and saying that he was getting my car anyways.
Okay.
Then he said that I was going to. I tried to pay. So my friend offered me to pay.
Okay.
I don't know where she is. Let me just call her.
So what do you need me for?
Yeah, actually, so he touched me and he's saying that I touched him. I touched his clothes. I did.
So you guys, okay, what do you need me for? What would you like me to do?
Yeah. I'm so nervous. I know that it's a civil. It's not up to you.
Her testimony and the rickshaw pullers didn't match at all, but luckily, one of them had all the evidence.
That's like, what's the ultimate outcome? What would you...
Amiga, por favor, vem aqui porque eu preciso de testemunha. Sorry.
Go ahead, talk to him and let me talk to this guy. You hang out over here. What's going on, bud?
Alright, I had her hooked. I know that's not y'all's issue or nothing.
Okay.
It seemed to be going alright. I asked her if she wanted the drop fee. She said she was going to call the manager, have them come
Okay.
and get her out of that or whatever.
So are they paying the drop fee or?
I was trying to get her to, at which point she then assaulted me when I wanted to go ask her about it. I got
How did she assault you?
I saw a little shaky. And she had punched me in the throat. She scratched me here.
What would you like to do?
I'm trying to press charges. This
Going to court
happens,
and all that stuff?
yeah, this happens every 2 days on this property.
Okay.
I'm honestly getting tired.
She argued that she only parked for a few minutes with her friend's permission.
Second time this week?
Yeah, with this guy. So you came here the last time?
No. But
Okay.
I read...
It was not me, but he touched my arms.
You want to write a statement?
Yeah.
Okay.
You work inside of here, man? You work?
No, I
or your
don't.
castle? You work?
No,
your place?
my friend works over here, and then she said that I had a spot available for rent. I was going to take a look, so she said that I could park over here. So I literally parked for 2 minutes. There is cameras, you can check. I know that it's a civil
It says
thing.
future resident parking, so...
Yeah, so there. I don't know why he's towing my car, but he's doing this. So he did this to a parent this week, so,
Do you have your ID? Can you get that for me, please? Any weapons or anything in the vehicle?
No.
Okay.
Is your friend still here that we could talk to your friend too?
Yeah, I just told her to come.
Was anybody else out here when this happened?
Yes.
When your vehicle got towed?
I'm not sure.
When it started?
Yes. Let me just call her 1 second.
You were out here when this started?
Eu não speak
English.
What do you speak? Hold on. You speak Portuguese?
Portuguese.
Okay. Hang on over here. Let me see if my partner can ask what happened. So I just need to know if she was down here when she was trying to get in her car. Don't lead her though.
Okay.
Just see what she says.
Okay. Tudo bom.
Tudo bem, isso é português?
Sou.
O brasileiro quer
Sou.
ser português.
Então, o que houve hoje?
So I just need to print your name here. What happened? You came over here to visit a friend. You want to be a future tenant, and from there. Okay.
You want me to write it?
Yes.
The friend told police she only saw them talking and didn't witness any physical contact.
Tá, não chegou.
Não, acho que não. O que eu vi ali só foi falação.
Tá. She's saying that she asked her to come by just to be here. She was getting her food. And then all she saw was them talking. And she was upset. But she said, I never saw either one of them touch each other.
Okay.
Huh?
She didn't see her try to grab his phone at all.
She never pushed him. She just saw her push her hand in front of his phone.
Why did she come over here to meet with her?
Como é que tu conhece ela? Because they're friends, and then she came in to talk to her real quick at her job. And then she's like, oh, she asked her if she could park here. She's like, yeah, it was real quick. So she said yes.
What were they talking about? Like,
It's just a friend talk about people in Brazil and stuff like that because they know each other from Brazil.
so not about getting a
No.
Okay. We can just get her name or get her ID and get her name information. Contact. Sworn to affirm what you're written is correct and true. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Which you already signed. Okay. Can I see the video when she?
Yeah, and then this was the next video. Oh, now you're going to jail. That's assault, man. Also, there's 4 cameras on this truck.
They don't.
Yeah.
Oh, what do
my
you got?
boss can download it.
I need to see that, please.
Yeah.
Sign here, sworn above the attached statements are correct and true. So now she writes, did she grab me by the arms and the clothes? Initially, she's like, grab me by the clothes.
The woman first claimed she was hit, but later admitted to grabbing the rickshaw puller's shirt when questioned by police.
I'm reading your statement, and I have your initial statement recorded, okay? Is there anything that you would like to change about what you told me and what you wrote on there? Because he's got a lot of cameras on that, which are pretty good at recording.
Yeah, actually, so I did touch him, but he said that he has scratches.
Yeah.
But did you see in the camera that I didn't touch his neck?
Well, he has the scratch, and you're grabbing his clothing. So my
this
question, you made the allegations that he grabbed you. Did he
He
grab
said
you?
that you cannot go inside the car.
Okay. Did he grab you?
He tried. He didn't. He tried.
He never touched
So I'm so
because you were in the car, right?
yeah, I was so nervous that I didn't even remember.
Okay. So he never touched you. Correct?
The other day,
We can't talk about the other day.
I know.
The other day is its own thing. Okay. Today is today's thing. He never touched you when you tried to get in the car, correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So he never put his hands on. Okay. All right. So, because he has a video and I was able to watch, so he's got a small scratch, and no matter what, a small scratch is a small
But I
scratch.
didn't touch it. It was not from me. You can do the I don't know the name of this in here, but you can see that it was not me.
But you can see that you're reaching and grabbing. You're grabbing hold of his clothes.
It was only his clothes, sir.
Yeah, but you.
Officer, I didn't touch
I
it.
wasn't. But there's video. And we can
Video of me or video
see, of you guys right here.
But
You can see clearly that you're grabbing, you're reaching, you grabbed around his
no, I
shirt.
didn't, sir.
His shirt. You have his shirt in your hand.
No, I didn't touch his neck. I didn't touch his
But
body.
he's got a small scratch.
It was not me. I did. So he went inside the car. You can check the camera. He didn't want to talk. My friend tried to
Right,
pay.
after that,
yeah,
he didn't want to do
probably
anything.
Scratched himself.
You think he
know.
scratched himself? Okay.
Yeah, I do.
Okay, hang tight. Hang tight. Okay.
Yes, I have my kids leaving the school in an hour.
I know.
Right here.
I hear you.
There's no reason to do that.
Unfortunately, when somebody alleges,
Are you going to arrest me for that?
yes, I am. Do you need to call somebody to pick your kids up? Because he wants to press charges. So are you able to call somebody and let them know?
Yeah, 1 second.
Hold-
Amiga, eles vão
Hold
me
on.
prender. I'm sorry. Eles vão me prender.
He's gonna go. Because she battered him. She put her hands on him.
No,
It's
but-
recorded.
But he did it first.
No, he didn't. She admitted
No?
it didn't happen.
He tried. Ele deu a segunda vez, ele tentou já da outra vez.
Plus, there's cameras all over that truck.
Did you see?
His truck?
Yeah, there's 4. See those black things right there? Those are cameras facing this way. Those are cameras facing this way. Ma'am,
1 second.
hang out. No, wait here.
Eles vão me prender.
So, She's got to go.
The suspect was put in the car when the police had enough evidence to charge.
Hold on to that. You just throw it on the front seat. Hands behind your back. If you put them behind your back like that, like you're praying, interlace, it's easier, it's more comfortable, okay? Just have us. So the easiest way, yep, just step in. And then,
Like this?
Yep. I just got to get the seatbelt here. And then buckle you in, okay? It's a lot more room in these Tahoes, so.
That's okay.
And I got the AC on, so.
She was officially charged with simple battery after officers gathered witness statements and reviewed the circumstances surrounding the altercation. Many people commented on this circumstance and the girl's reaction in the published video. At least she was dressed for prison already. I guarantee this lady parks in handicapped spots too. If your car's getting towed twice in 1 week, you're the problem. But if you think this was the peak of drama, this next Karen takes chaos to a whole new level.
There! You're a female. I'm a female. You're a male.
How do you know?
I'm a female.
How do you know what I identify?
No, I can't go to jail. I literally just went to jail for a Hurricane Milton.
On January 29, 2025, police chased and asked a vehicle to stop when they saw some abnormalities.
Give me your information.
May I have a deputy?
Huh? You have a deputy. I'm standing in front of you. Step out of the vehicle.
For sure.
Do you have your information?
I don't need to give it to you.
Yes, you do. Why would you not?
Because I came after you and you came to make it up.
Okay, step to the front of my car.
I could.
No, you will.
I could.
Go. To the front of my car.
Now you're making me uncomfortable.
That's fine. Go to the front of my car.
I can't do that, sir.
Yes, you can.
Officer, you're putting your hands on me. Officer, you're putting your hands on me.
Sit right there.
You're a male.
Sit right
You're
there.
a male. I'm a
Sit
female.
right there.
You're a female. I'm a female. You're a male.
How do you know?
I'm a female.
How do you know what I identify as?
Exactly, but Trump gave it.
42694.
That is.
Sit down.
You're making me uncomfortable.
Sit.
No.
I don't care. Sit down.
No.
Where's your identification?
No.
Where's your driver's license,
No.
registration,
No.
and your proof of insurance?
No.
You've made this so much more difficult.
Girl protested being touched by male police officer, cited some diseases and problems to escape punishment.
It needs
No,
to be.
because you came and made a U-turn in front of me, and you came after me and turned around. I waited for
turned
you.
around
It
because
was a
you
yellow
committed
light.
a violation
No, I
of Florida
didn't. It was
state
a yellow
statute.
light. It was
It
a yellow
does not
light, and
matter
I
if it is a
turned-
yellow light.
Yes, it is.
I have explained to you
No,
why
it
you were
was a
pulled
yellow
over.
light.
I want your driver's license,
No, sir.
registration.
And then you just put your hands
Negative.
on me.
I did put my
Yeah,
hands
you
on you
did.
because you're refusing to
No,
give me your
I'm not,
information, and I'm not
officer.
going to allow you to sit in that
I'm
car.
I'm not, officer.
You don't operate
I'm
this.
complying.
I'm in charge. Do you
I'm very
understand
much
me?
so complying, officer.
Sit down.
No, because you put
Then
your
how
hands
are you
on me.
complying? I
Because
did.
you put your hands
I
on me.
did, because
can
you
take my
failed
shirt
to
off.
follow a
No,
lawful
I can take
order.
my shirt off as a woman. You need to identify as a male. I'm a female, and you just put your hands on me.
I did,
came
because
out
you
and-
are failing
no,
to
I did not.
produce your
No, I did not.
identification.
I did not, officer.
Did it?
I did not, officer.
Okay.
You just put
when
your hands on me.
when I asked you,
officer,
driver's
you
license,
put your
registration,
hands on
proof
me.
of insurance.
No.
Where's your driver's license?
You put your hands on me.
Where's your driver's
You
license?
put your hands on me.
Where is your
You
driver's
put
license?
Your hands on me.
Where is your driver's
You put
license?
Your hands on me. No, officer. You put your hands on me. You put your hands
You're-
on me.
Ma'am,
You
you're
put
being
your hands
detained.
on me. No, you put your hands on me. What are you doing? What
You're
are
being
you doing?
detained.
You put your hands on me. Officer, you put your hands on me. What are you doing?
If you do not comply, I'm going to put you on the
I've
ground.
been complying.
I'm going to put you on the
You
ground.
put- you didn't
Turn
even tell me
around.
what you pulled me
turn
out of the
around
car.
and put your hands behind
You're
your back.
putting your hands on me.
Turn around and put your hands
Officer,
behind your
I
back.
literally have seizures, and you're
Turn
putting your hands
around
on
and put your hands.
Officer, no, you're putting your hands on me. Officer, you're putting your hands on me.
Step it up.
Officer,
Turn around
you're
and
putting
put your
hands
hands
on me. You're
behind
making
your
me
back.
uncomfortable.
Turn around and
No.
put your hands behind your
No,
back.
you're making me uncomfortable. No, stop, officer. I refuse. Officer, you're hurting me. Officer, you're hurting me. I didn't do anything. You didn't even ask for my identification.
I did.
No, you didn't, officer. You're hurting me. You're hurting me. Officer, you're hurting me. You're hurting me.
Get your hands behind your back.
Officer, I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
Hey, take her.
Officer, please. You're hurting me.
Just get on the side.
I got it.
You're hurting
Guys,
me.
listen to me.
I got
Just get on the
I
side.
didn't do anything.
Get on the side.
He didn't even ask for anything.
Relax. Hey,
Put your other hand
relax.
behind your
Officer,
back.
please, no,
Relax.
he's hurting me.
I got him.
He
Relax.
didn't
Let's
offer
go.
me anything.
Relax.
He didn't offer
Hey.
me anything.
There's no
Stop.
He didn't offer
Relax.
me
Relax.
anything.
Relax.
Officer, he's hurting me.
Relax, we're good.
I just sat there. He pulled me over. I pulled over. He's hurting me.
Hey, look towards the car. Look towards
He
the
hurt
car.
me.
Look towards the
I
car.
didn't do anything.
She claimed health issues to avoid arrest after protesting being touched by male officer.
You're hurting
Relax.
Go ahead
me.
and fix this.
You're hurting me.
No, you're fine.
I didn't do anything.
Just relax.
I didn't do anything. I was at a yellow light.
Just
I
relax.
was at a yellow light.
Hey, what's your name?
I was at a yellow light.
I
What the
understand the
heck?
yellow light. What's your name?
I was at a yellow light. He made a U-turn on me, and I was at a full stop.
Hey.
I was at a full stop. He's hurting me.
He's not hurting you.
Yeah, bro, I didn't do anything.
You're not listening.
I didn't do anything.
They won't come out now.
That's all right.
Deputy Baker.
Hey.
Deputy Baker, it's Miranda. He literally he stopped me for no reason. I came to a complete stop. He made a U-turn. And then I came out and he tried to put his hands on me as a woman.
She kept denying wrongdoing and insisted the police were treating her unfairly.
Take a deep breath.
She hasn't been searched. I don't know if she's got
I've been cooperating. He tried to put his hands on me. And let me what do I have to identify as? I'm not a female when he's a male. He's like, how do you identify as?
Hey, do you have any needles or anything on you that's going to poke your skin? Quick, easy question. Do you have anything on the skin? I don't think on you is going to hurt anybody.
I swear on my life, I didn't do nothing wrong.
Okay, you're not
He
answering
was
the
in
question.
his own feelings. I didn't do anything.
I'm gonna try to pull everything
I didn't do anything. I put on my life. I was sitting at the yellow light and I waited for him to stop and I came after him and he made a U-turn on me. I am calm and he hurt my feelings and he upset me and they put me. I didn't even say. I came out and I was like, no, I refuse because he was being mean to me.
She's clear. I don't know if this got a hoodie, like a pocket on the
No, you're wrong and you know it.
That's fine. I've been wrong before.
You've been wrong before.
I know I have.
I know you
just
have.
said that.
I know him.
Okay.
I know him faithfully and you hurt me.
Well, I'm Deputy
You put your
Thompson.
hands on me.
I'm Deputy Thompson now.
No,
We know
but
each
you
other.
put your hands on me.
I know, because you didn't listen.
No, I didn't listen because you
Oh,
pulled
okay.
me out of the car and you didn't tell me what I did wrong. You did that and you know you did that.
I did. I just told you I
No, you're not.
Go,
Yeah.
Go do it.
I didn't do anything wrong. You pulled me out of the fucking car without telling me anything.
This chart is in right here.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Bother seatbelt her, just watch her.
I didn't do nothing. I just was sitting in the car and I waited.
Police suspected she was drunk. She agreed to test at first, but soon began acting oddly.
Anything to drink today?
No,
Did you reek of alcohol?
no. That was literally like, I literally got off work at 8 o'clock. Yeah.
You know what time it is now?
Yeah, 8 o'clock in the morning. Exactly.
I
woke up.
I don't know her name. All I got's from
I went to
Miranda
bed,
so far.
And I woke up and I was like, oh, I don't know.
There's nothing popping up in
After
ACES.
Is she not giving it to you?
U-turn.
She said Miranda right, but there's nothing in ACES. So I'm gonna check Zerker because she's been arrested. My car. Do you smell that in my car? Yeah, she's Sigma 1.
him to be able to touch me as a male.
Rob's
And then
gonna
he said,
refuse
because
everything, I'm
what
sure.
can you identify as? Trump is in office now. So there's no rights to be a
Sarge
male
knows her,
or
doesn't he?
female. There's no other end. There's no other end to that. So don't try to belittle me and make me seem like I'm a male or female.
Sarge
I said
know?
I'm a female.
Does Sarge
and I
know?
would like to talk to someone that's a female.
He said he's dealt with her.
You got DUI too.
Yeah, she's hammered. Yeah, I agree. I'm gonna ask her if she wants to do SFEs. Hey Miranda, I got a question for you. Okay, listen, I believe you're under the influence of alcohol. Would you be willing to?
I would be.
You'd be willing to complete standardized field
I
sobriety
would
for me?
be because I wasn't under the influence. I was looking for my vehicle. Looking for my car in my friend's vehicle.
Okay.
I didn't go anywhere, and you know that I didn't. You made a U-turn behind me.
I did because I saw
You made a U-turn
Why-
behind me because it was on a yellow light, and
No,
I had
ma'am.
the right of way, and
No,
I made
ma'am.
the right turn.
That's incorrect. I told you why I pulled you over. You failed to stop.
Officer, and even
Okay,
after that,
listen, I'm not arguing.
I'm
Give
not
me
trying
just a
to argue
second.
with you.
You are though.
She kept questioning why she was stopped, ignoring the officer's explanation and continuing to argue.
I think she believes that I'm about to do a breathalyzer, and I think that's what she agreed to do because she's asking me if I pass the breathalyzer right here, am I going to go free?
Oh, okay. Hey, Miranda. What the deputy wants you to do is field sobriety exercises.
Mm-hmm.
You know what the difference between that and the breathalyzer is?
Yes, what I asked was, is that the probable cause?
The probable cause is a traffic stop and the odor of alcohol.
Right, but he didn't give me the odor of alcohol. He pulled me out of my vehicle because he said I made a traffic violation, but didn't give me the description of that.
We're not going to stand here and debate the reason.
I'm not
for the
debating
stop.
that, but I know you know
What
that
we're
I've
asking you
been
to
stopped
do.
before, and I've been in the jail because of the hurricane, and I can't go to jail because of bond. So I was very compliant because of that. So there was no reason for me not to be compliant. With that being said, why would I go back to jail knowing that my bond can be revoked and I can go to jail for that?
What we're asking you to do is
Right.
field sobriety exercises.
My thing is if I will be able to pass that, what will go after that?
We would make a determination at that point.
Determination at that point?
Yep.
And will I be able to get a traffic
I'm
violation?
not going to tell you one way or the other because we're not there yet.
I understand that, but
I'm not going to hold everything over your head or tell you that
I'm
we're
being
gonna,
very, very understanding, and I'm
okay.
trying to understand
Get it.
what's going on.
Yep.
At this point, even if I were to pass or not pass, where is the violation that I committed?
Again, I'm not going to debate.
I don't know the violation that I committed, is what I'm saying.
He was explaining it to you when you were standing over there
Right.
screaming at us. Okay?
No, I wasn't. I literally got pulled and grabbed. I have a literally mark on my arm to show that he literally put me over when I told him that I was a woman. I would rather be a female because he told me he wanted to search me.
You don't have that option.
I didn't have the option, but
You
what
don't
made me
get to select
upset?
what police officer.
Come on, I'm talking to you as literally. I know you before. You met me before. I'm trying to tell you that he upset me because he told me what can I identify as, and I'll identify as a male or female. So are you making me uncomfortable, trying to make me feel like I'm not a male or female?
It's trying to be respectful.
No, it's not respectful because the way he said it.
That's how you perceive it, okay?
But exactly, and that
All right.
I'm only being compliant because of that. But I'm not being incompliant because of his actions. I'm being compliant because of what he said.
So, at this point, are you going to submit to field sobriety exercises?
Even if I submit or not submit, if I'm going to be able
Are
to
you
pass,
going to submit or
no.
not submit? Okay. Perfect.
She insisted she was not drunk and suspected the police were kidnapping her.
No, ma'am, we don't use portable breathalyzers in the state of Florida.
Hello. Yes. Can I please? My sobriety test, please. May I get my sobriety test? Like, goddamn, I didn't do. What the fuck? I'm not even drunk. I literally I didn't even have one beer. Well, y'all are not gonna try to give me a test or what?
DUI doesn't just mean alcohol.
I'm not on nothing. I don't do drugs. What the fuck?
I'm not saying that you do. I'm just saying that
Y'all told me y'all were gonna give me a test. I'm like, what the fuck? Where's the test?
Did you just refuse?
No, they're trying to confuse me on what the fuck I'm saying. I'm trying to say like I didn't do anything wrong. That's why I'm saying no. I will take a test if I have to prove it.
You'd be able to take a test in the jail.
No, I can't go to jail. I literally just went to jail for a Hurricane Milton curfew.
yeah, I need her to turn
I'll
face
turn
the car, spread your feet.
Oh, okay.
I need you to stop moving, spread your feet.
I have nothing, literally.
I don't care. I need you to spread your feet.
My feet are spread, sir. What the? Y'all are tripping. This is crazy as fuck. This is kidnapping.
In the end, she still believed the law should work in her favor and blamed the police for ruining her life.
Can I take my test?
Huh?
That's not my phone. Can I take my? I was looking out.
So whose phone is this?
I have no idea.
So do you want me to leave it in the car?
I need to take my test.
You refused.
No,
we just asked you and you refused.
that's not what you said. You made
That's
me feel
exactly
like
what we
as if I was
said.
going to jail regardless.
Hop back in the car.
No, that's crazy.
Yes, ma'am. So she's saying this isn't her phone, but I don't want to leave it in the car. It's a brand new phone and it's obviously on.
Take it as her phone. That's part of her property.
Okay. I'll find that
car.
She said you refused her test.
I tried to be as nice as I could to her. I kept telling her, I was like, listen, I don't want to throw you to the ground.
I was trying to search her and she kept like turning.
Yeah.
I was like, I need you to stop. Because she kept turning around.
She wants it left?
Miranda was charged with driving under the influence, DUI, resisting arrest, and violating curfew. After the video was posted on the internet, people shared their thoughts in some comments. So sick of these crybabies. Grow up and follow the law. Cops said, how do you know what I identify as? Well played. Thank God for body cams. The gaslighting is volcanic. That's messy, so what about the third case?
Okay, I have not been detained. Let's go. I have not been detained. Let's go, come on. Haley, I have done nothing wrong to get arrested.
On September 26, 2022, a parking attendant reported a traffic incident where a pickup truck hit a parking garage sign, causing major damage.
Hey, stop walking.
I have not done anything to be detained.
What is going on? She wants me to drunk drive her home, and I'm not going to drunk drive her home. She wants you to drive her home? Yeah, I'm not going to drive her home. I have done nothing wrong to be detained.
Do you have any ID on you?
Yeah, I'm going to go to my car.
Where's your ID?
I'm going to get on my car.
Where is your ID?
I'm going to my car.
Where is your ID?
I'm going to my truck.
We're gonna go back there, and we're gonna figure this out. So go back down.
I have done nothing to be detained.
Go back down there.
Why am I being detained?
For some sort of traffic crash, we're trying to figure out the investigation.
No,
okay?
I am not.
So you're not free to go. You're not free to go.
I have not been detained.
We're going this way.
I have not been detained.
I will put you in handcuffs if you do not start
Okay, I
walking
have
down.
not been detained.
Let's go.
I have not been detained.
Let's go. Come on. Come on.
Do not touch me.
Come on.
Do not.
Come on.
Ma'am, do not
Let's
touch
go.
me.
Let's go.
Do not touch me.
We're gonna try to figure this out.
I have not done anything.
We're gonna figure out the investigation.
I have
Go
not
back down
done
there.
anything.
Let's go.
Do not touch me.
Ma'am, I'm about to put you in handcuffs.
Do not touch me.
This way.
Do not touch me.
Can you please walk this way?
Okay, I have not done anything.
Walk this
for
way,
you
ma'am.
to touch me.
You're not
Do
following
touch me.
directions. Let's
I
go.
have not done anything to be detained. What have you been?
She's about to be put in handcuffs if she doesn't start listening.
We're doing an investigation. We can detain you if we want to.
There's no investigation.
There is an investigation.
My
because we got a call.
friend flagged you guys down because you drunk. Okay?
Okay.
My friend
We got a
flagged
call
you guys
about
down.
something.
There's no reason for me to be detained.
We have reason
No,
to
there's
detain
not.
you. Okay.
There's no reason.
Well, that's your opinion.
No.
I'm trying to get her back down here just so we can figure out what's going on.
There's no reason for me to be detained. My friend's drunk as should wake you guys down. There's no reason.
The suspect denied and refused all requests despite the fact that the truth was very clear.
I have never been in trouble in my entire life. My friend's drunk as and I was trying to go to my car, and she's drunk as
Why were you trying to go to your car?
so I can call my boyfriend to send me my location.
Call your boyfriend to send you your
Don't
location?
try to confuse me.
You said to call your
Don't try
boyfriend.
to confuse me. My friend is drunk as
Who are you?
Oh, no, I'm not.
Okay.
No, I'm not. Don't try to confuse me. My friend is drunk as
Your ID or not?
you guys. You guys, I'm not detained. I have done nothing
You are
wrong.
detained,
A million
and
other
you need to
people.
identify
no,
yourself.
No, a million other people have gone to their cars and done wrong. A million other people. When I was on my way here, some dude was four-wheeling in his thing. 2 wheels
What
on
does
a
that have
dirt
to
bike.
do with the...
I have done nothing wrong.
Ma'am, I need to see your ID.
No, you guys.
The police had to restrain and handcuff her when she continued to resist, causing things to escalate.
You're not free to go.
Give me my phone. Give me my phone. I have done nothing wrong. Give me my phone. Let go of me.
Are you good, Miss Lightfoot?
Let go of me. I have done nothing wrong. Let go of me. Let go of me. Let me grab my phone.
Hey, miss, how are you?
I have done nothing wrong.
Relax for a second, just relax.
You guys.
It's not very nice. Watch your feet.
Haley. Haley, I have done nothing wrong to get arrested.
Relax, man.
Grab my phone. Right there. Grab my phone. Grab my phone.
Let go of your keys. Do you understand me?
What have I done wrong to be detained?
Let go of
How
your
am I being
keys.
detained? How am I being detained?
I'm gonna knee strike
Tell
you
me.
if you don't let go of your keys.
Knee strike me. How am I being detained? How am I being detained?
I'll speak to the clerk again.
A little wilderness?
Yeah. You should probably stop, okay? You should probably stop doing that.
Oh, she's so good at that.
How am I being detained?
Want to back up on?
How am I being detained? Tell me, how am I being detained? What have I done wrong? Tell me.
There we go.
You could have prevented that.
Chill out.
What the have I done wrong?
You could have prevented that from
What
happening. I would stop doing that, okay?
What the have I done
I'll
wrong?
do the,
What the have I done wrong? What the have I done wrong? No, tell me to my face. Tell me, what the have I done wrong?
well, you're having issues listening. Let's start with that.
Wait, look. What the have I done wrong? Haley!
I don't know,
Haley!
if they're doing the traffic crash.
Haley, what the have I done wrong?
Hey, can you just calm down?
Okay, no, but look.
Just calm down.
I've never been arrested in my life, and what the
Okay?
Why? Why?
Okay? For an investigation.
For what?
For an investigation.
Can I look at you for a second?
No, you can't, actually.
Because what the Can I talk to you for a second? I've never been arrested in my life. Where's my purse? No, can I talk to you for a second? Look, can I guys talk to you for a second? I've never been arrested in my life. Can I please talk to you?
A friend who was with her told police they had both been drinking, but Caroline insisted on driving.
What was the argument over, miss?
We came from the bar. We were both drinking. And we got in the truck, and I insisted on driving because I felt like I was more sober, which I'm not. But she was very prominent on driving, so I let her drive. We hit this curve right here coming out, and I stopped her and I said, Caroline, let me drive. It'll be fine, which it's not.
Which
it wasn't.
curve?
I'm not okay to drive.
Which curve?
This close. This that one over there by the right side. And I felt her hit it, and I said, Caroline, let me drive. She said, no, I'm fine, I'm fine, I'm fine. And I got out and I tried to put the slip in that we got coming in. And the young lady over there talking to the other officer, she came over eventually and said, do you need help? And I said, yes, ma'am. And she's like, you're in the wrong lane for, I don't know, like there's an exit or whatever? Yeah, the wrong exit. That one's for like a primary resident, and this one is for visitors or whatever. So, in that exit, she said, Caroline said, I'm fine, don't worry about it. After the lady came over and tried to help us and told us, hey, you're in the wrong lane, I said, let me drive. I'll drive, I'll take care of it, and that's where our argument began, because she wanted to drive and I wanted to drive, and in my heart I knew neither one of us could drive. And she got very aggressive, and I just walked away. I walked on the street, and then she came out saying the cops are coming. I was like, well, if they have to come, they have to come. I don't know what to tell you. She was like, we have to leave, and I'm like, no. We're not leaving. My purse is in the garage. My phone. I have to work in the morning. It was not supposed to end this way. So
Kudos to this female police officer for her calmness.
What do you not understand?
Because Haley was walking down the same sidewalk as me.
So.
And we got arrested for walking down the sidewalk.
Let me know when you're done.
So why am I arrested for walking down the sidewalk?
You're not under arrest right now.
No.
You're being detained.
For what?
So, in order for me to answer that question, I need to read from here to here.
No.
That's how it works.
Okay, but listen.
It doesn't matter right now.
My friend Haley.
You can tell me that once I finish reading this.
No.
Once I finish reading this,
I don't
then you
know.
can ask me.
My friend Haley.
So I'm going to continue.
No, ma'am. No.
You have the right to talk to a lawyer for
no.
advice before we ask you any questions.
I want to know why my friend Haley got to walk down the
If you cannot afford a lawyer,
sidewalk
one will be
as
appointed
me.
for you before any questions if you wish.
No.
If you decide to answer questions without a lawyer present, you will still have the right to stop answering at any time.
Why did
You will also have the right to stop answering questions any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand each of these?
I want to talk to a lawyer.
Do you understand each of these rights? I've explained to you.
Why did my friend Haley get to walk away when I did not get to walk away?
So what part of that did you not understand?
Everything.
So would you like me to read it again?
No, my friend Haley.
So what
got
part
to
did you
walk
not
away
understand?
when I did not get to walk away.
So what part do you not understand of this?
Everything.
Would you like me to start again?
I want my phone and I want
Would
to
you
call
like
my
me to start?
lawyer.
Would you like me to start
No.
again? Okay.
My friend got to walk
So
away.
it appears that you understand this.
No.
Have you previously requested any
I don't understand.
Okay.
Why
then
did my friend get to walk away?
I need you to answer.
Why
what
did my
don't you
friend
understand?
get to walk away and I did not? When I have not done a damn thing. Why
So,
didn't no? I
have you
want to know. I
previously
want to know.
requested any law enforcement officer to allow
I
you to speak
don't
to an
understand.
attorney?
I don't understand.
With these
I
rights
don't
in
understand.
mind, do you wish to talk to us now?
I don't understand. I don't want to talk to you. I want to.
So you don't want to talk to
I have
me?
not done a
Okay.
damn thing.
So,
Why have I got to talk to you guys when my friend Haley got to walk away? Why?
So, like I
was
said,
walking
my
down the
name is
sidewalk.
Officer Johnston with the Fort Myers Police Department, and I'm conducting a
Yeah, and I
DUI
have not
investigation.
done a damn thing.
And you are the subject to the investigation.
I have not
Okay.
crashed. I have not done a damn thing.
Based on
what?
the totality of circumstances and what
Based
I see,
on what?
what I
happened?
see and what I hear,
What happened?
and what
Can you let her
will
talk?
witness, I would like to conduct field sobriety exercises to make sure
No,
that
because
you
I have not
are
been walking
able
anywhere.
to drive the vehicle away safely.
If Haley heard her questions, I don't think this friendship would last long.
I wasn't walking anywhere.
So I'm going to ask you again.
No, I wasn't walking anywhere. I was walking to my house. To an
Are you
Uber.
willing to participate
No,
in
because I was
field
walking to an
sobriety
Uber.
exercises
No, I was walking to an Uber.
to
And
make
you guys
sure
have
that
no
you're
reason
able
why
to drive the
detain me.
vehicle away safely?
No, because you guys have no reason why
Okay.
to detain me.
If I hear anything other than a yes, I'm going to take that as a no. So I'm going to ask you one more time.
Sure, take me to jail.
Are you willing to do field sobriety exercises
Nope.
to make sure that you're able to drive the vehicle
No,
away?
because I wasn't driving to
No?
my car.
Okay. At this time, you're under arrest for DUI.
No, I'm not.
When we get
I'd like to call an Uber.
when we
I'd
get
like to call my-
when we
I'd
get
like to
down
call-
to the
I'd
jail,
like to call
are you
my-
willing to provide a breath sample?
Negative.
So you're not willing to provide a breath sample. Okay.
Because Haley was walking
I have
my
to
car
read you
drive.
something, okay?
No, you're not, because Haley was walking to my car to drive to my car. No.
Where did I put it?
No. I was not walking to my car. I was calling
There it
an
is.
Uber. So how can you how can you arrest me and I was calling an Uber?
So.
How can you call me when I was calling an
You
Uber?
gotta listen. You have to listen. Stop talking. You have to listen and stop talking.
No, I was calling an Uber. I was calling an Uber. I don't understand.
I am Officer
no,
Johnson,
you,
the
I
Fort
don't
Myers Police
understand.
Department.
I don't
If you
understand.
fail to submit to the test I
I don't
requested of
understand.
you. So,
I was calling an Uber.
are you
I was
willing
calling
to
an Uber.
Are you going
I
to
was
provide a
calling
breath
an
sample?
Uber. I was calling an Uber.
Are you going to provide a breath
No,
sample?
because I was calling an
No.
Uber.
Okay, I'm going to give you one more chance, okay?
No, because I was calling
When
an
we
Uber.
get down to the jail, are you willing to
No,
provide a
because
breath
I was
sample?
calling an
No.
Uber.
Okay.
Hey, can you
You're
take
under-
my number?
You're under arrest for DUI.
941? Because 9 for DUI for what?
She was charged with DUI involving property damage, DUI under the influence of alcohol or drugs, and resisting an officer. Considering the ridiculous circumstances, the following comments emerged after the video was released and are very significant. Translation: I've never been in trouble in my life. I've always gotten away with everything. Alcohol plus entitlement equals the absolute worst. From the challenge of an entitled woman comes serious trouble to woke.
Why am I required? I don't have rights. Where's my rights at then? Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me.
To woke, Karen trashed a McDonald's. Now she faces the consequences.
Hey, all three of y'all big ass motherfuckers. That's a big ass. What y'all pulling me out the car like that for?
And lesbian attacks her ex during heated car argument.
She pushed me and I told her she hit me again. I'm gonna get her back. That's exactly the same story I told her.
These intense encounters prove that one reckless moment can change everything. Watch as when dumb woke, Karen act like laws don't exist.
Supervisor?
I am.
And what's your name?
Sergeant McDonald.
On August 13th, 2024, a police officer stopped a woman for speeding 53 miles per hour in a 35 miles per hour zone.
Good morning. It's actually good speed limit 35. You're going 53 this morning.
It was three people in front of me, man. I want to record this because this is outrageous.
Okay. You have your driver's license and insurance?
What am I don't understand why I was being pulled over. Can you show me the speed I was doing?
Yeah, you're going 53 and a 35.
Can you show me? I'm asking you, can you show me?
It'll be on the camera for court.
I know. I want to see the camera now.
I can't do that.
Can I see your? Can I speak to your supervisor?
Sure. You have your driver's license and insurance?
I'm asking for a supervisor.
I'm asking for your license and insurance.
I'm asking for a supervisor.
Okay. In the meantime, I need your driver's license.
I'm asking for a supervisor. Can I see a supervisor, please?
Sure. I'm gonna take your help.
When the supervisor arrived, she still refused to show ID, insisting on her rights.
What's up with this girl?
She's mad.
What? Did you give her a ticket?
Well, I mean, give me one. She was a stopper and said she was going 53 and a 35, and she refused to give me her ID. She started requesting a supervisor from the start. Delightful.
Okay.
And it's a rental
Yeah,
car.
I figured you did the cage roll town.
And it's a rental car.
Yeah. Let's do what we do. You want to try again? Is the Sarge on his way?
He's on his way from the fifth floor.
Well, ma'am. Hey, ma'am, just hear me out for a second. In case you didn't know, we don't have to show you our stuff. Yeah, okay. You have rights too, but we don't have to show you that stuff, ma'am.
You don't have to show me, so I don't have to show proof right here.
No, it doesn't work that way, ma'am.
Where's your proof that I broke in?
It doesn't work that way, ma'am.
I want to know where's my proof. Where's the proof that I broke in?
She just told you that you did. Ma'am, we don't have to show you our radar equipment. No, we don't. No, we don't, ma'am.
If you have to, I want to verify. How you gonna accuse me? It was officer. Listen, it was cars in front of me. How does she pick me out of all the people? Where's her proof? He asked me that. Where's her proof? That's what I want.
The woman continued to question the police's authority and refused to comply.
Because we don't have to show you what our radar stuff reading is. No, we don't, ma'am. Maybe for court, but not right now. Y'all know we are too, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Still here, still waiting for your ID that you won't give me.
Yeah. You can make this process go a whole lot faster.
Go very poorly for you, dear.
Okay, I got time. So can I speak to your supervisor? Can you bring your supervisor out?
They're en route. Okay. Try to get all this resolved without a supervisor. Okay. All right. We'll be back.
Man, this could have gone completely different. That was on you. And there's no reason. You have refused to provide your ID.
And I didn't even do anything. You stated that
You say you didn't do anything.
You said that I was speeding.
I did say that, and you were.
You said I was speeding, correct?
Yes, 53 and a 35.
So I was doing 53, so everybody was doing 53.
And she's admitted to speeding now. It's impressive.
Right? Correct?
No.
So I was the only one. So was it cars in front of me?
No.
It wasn't cars.
There were cars in front of you not going 53.
Okay, so what cars in front? So how are you going to get me to the tow truck? Where's the supervisor at? How are you going to tow someone when I ask for a supervisor?
I don't need a supervisor to tow your car, ma'am. I do not.
Give us a second.
You think TikTok videos for this?
We could go viral.
Yeah.
The police warned her repeatedly to comply, but when she refused, they had no choice but to take action.
Under arrest. You are under arrest for obstruction of official business and failing to provide your ID. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle, or I will break the window. Step out of the vehicle, or I will break the window. Ma'am, I'm telling you one more time. Step out of the vehicle, or I'm going to break the window. Okay.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Please step out.
No, I didn't do anything wrong. Okay. I didn't even do anything wrong. Oh my God! This is crazy. Oh my God!
Put your hands together like a frame.
Wow! Are you serious? Oh yeah.
It's on the right now.
Wow. Okay.
Okay, switch your legs for me.
Once in the car, she kept protesting her innocence and complaining nonstop.
Problem whatsoever.
That's what it's here for.
Why don't I have a seat when there's all this stuff right there?
Scoot in around it, you're fine. Here. Hey,
I'm trying to sit down, ma'am.
Put your legs in.
No use. Just hands properly.
Thank you. Started calling family to show up too.
And are you sleeping there?
You want the window rolled down?
Are you the supervisor?
I am.
And what's your name?
Sergeant McDonald.
I have done nothing wrong. I have done absolutely nothing wrong, officer. I promise to God on my dad's grave. My dad is deceased. And she pulled me out over, I asked her, and it's all of my recording on my phone. I asked her, was there any, like, how did you pull me out of the lineup out of all these people that was driving on the vehicle? I asked her, was I the only one on the road? She said, yes. I was not, officer, it was vehicles in front of me. How did you pick me out of all the people? That's what I don't understand. I was not speeding at all. I was going to the shop. Oh my God. I was going to the shop. I'm trying to look for a stolen car.
She continued to argue that she was not speeding and questioned the police's priorities.
Didn't even verify me speeding. I wasn't. That's the funny part.
That's what court's for.
But I was not even speeding. That's the crazy part.
And that's what court's for.
I was not even
If you
speeding.
weren't speeding and she can't prove it beyond a reasonable doubt, then you can't be convicted of speeding. But out here on the streets is not where we can argue those things.
This is crazy. Can you at least get my keys that's in the vehicle and put it with my belongings?
They got like your house keys on them?
Yes.
Yeah, let me grab them.
Could you at least look for that Jeep that I'm looking for? To check these cameras?
I promise you, dear, if it's stolen and we have a list of vehicles we all actively look for.
Because I noticed when I called the detectives yesterday and spoke with the detectives, they were saying that it was like pinging off a Copley, like through the cameras.
Oh, yeah, probably, yeah. It's just about a matter of time till we find it.
What's your head?
You go to Stratford again?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, all this could have been avoided. It was a speeding ticket.
I wasn't even speeding.
You created all of this.
I'll fight you in court, that's all.
Dude, I gotta go on television now. I gotta get off rolling. This is not going well this morning. Warrants, this. It was a speeding ticket. Fucking speeding ticket.
Take them off.
It hurts so bad. It hurts so bad.
What are all your charges?
I don't even know. I didn't even do anything. That's the crazy part. That's why I'm so confused. And I asked to speak to the supervisor and I was refused the information.
Well, the supervisor showed up.
I asked to speak to his supervisor and he wasn't even acting like a supervisor. And everybody was being so aggressive. I'm just so scared because it's like I didn't even do anything. I didn't even do anything. All I'm just doing was just going to the shop. And that's all I'm doing. I work for it with my business. I'm looking for a stolen car. I was not even speeding. I'm not even like that. That was so crazy. And that's all I was asking was for to speak to a supervisor because I was not even speeding. I was trying to put the key back up that I had for the Jeep. And that was it. And I was about to go back home. I was to take off that and I was not even looking on this to happen. Then they bust the window out for what? Like, and then we just had the supervisor come out and just listen to me. He wasn't even trying to listen to me. That's the sick part about it. Like, I didn't even do anything wrong. I'm so hurt right now because it's like, I'm not even a bad person. I'm not a bad person. I'm not at all. I don't deserve it at all. This is so heartbreaking for me right now.
Go straight ahead up that yellow line.
The woman was charged with obstruction after repeatedly refusing to cooperate with police orders. Despite multiple warnings, she continued to argue and resist, forcing officers to take further action. Many people commented on this circumstance and the girl's reaction in the published video. Ashamed of nothing, offended by everything, always the victim. Imagine that you are so entitled that you'd rather have your car towed, window broken, and be arrested rather than just taking a speeding ticket. She's just stupid. She says the cops were aggressive. Those are some of the most chill cops I've ever seen. But if you think this was the peak of drama, this next Karen takes chaos to a whole new level.
Hey,
Hey, y'all, mother.
On May 10th, 2024, an officer stopped a vehicle that ran multiple flashing red signals, sparking further investigation.
Get the windows rolled down for me, please. Howdy, y'all. My name's Detective Roland, Tallahassee Police Department. The reason I pulled you over today is you have to stop when a light is out. At every light, I watched you blow through like 4 or 5 before I got behind you, okay? I'm not writing you a ticket today, but I can please see your license, registration, and proof of insurance.
Oh, my God.
Do you have the driver's license number? Okay. What is your last name? Do you have any kind of photo ID on you? Okay. Is that your mom?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. We're going to have to wait just 1 minute before I can talk to mom, okay? Give me 1 minute, okay? 7:43 be on 2.
You're welcome to get out. Just do me a favor, just stand behind our vehicle if you want to, okay?
Do you have David pulled up?
Yes, sir.
Can you pull it up so I can get her DL?
Do you have a first name?
Yeah, Tatyona.
Tatiana?
Yeah. There we go. 2 N's, I guess. 99 times 3.
One warrant was for April 11th, 2024, when the driver's friend trashed a McDonald's after being fired.
right.
Do me a favor. I need you to step out of the car and talk to me back here because you don't have your license, okay? Just take a second.
What we need to talk about, sir?
All right, look, here's the deal. I want to do this in front of the kids. You've got warrants out for your arrest. You want to go into jail today.
Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me. All right. I'm going to comply, but don't touch me. All right, cool. That's cool now.
We'll give you a chance, Tatiana. Come on.
All right. For real, don't touch me,
Hey,
bro.
no, you're good. At some point, we're going to have to because you're going to have to get handcuffed. But you got to come on out, okay?
Okay, they said she got a 1-out-4 arrest, and
Tatiana, step out of the car.
what she want to know what's the warrant for.
That's fine. We'll tell
I'll
her
explain to that in just a moment, but you got to get out of the car.
But you're not finna put me in no cup.
Tatiana, but you do have to get out. I don't want to pull you out. I don't want to do any of that. But I need you to exit.
Okay,
No, I don't want to do that.
You wait till her mama
Well, let my
No.
daddy don't come up.
Okay.
I have no problem explaining to that, but I do need y'all to step. I need you to step out.
Tatiana, you need to step out or you're going to catch
I
another
can
charge,
explain
okay?
that, but she's got to come out of the car first. We're not. I don't want to have this discussion. Yep, I do. I can absolutely do that, but you're going to be detained first.
She refused to get out of the car, so the police had to drag her out of the car.
Come on up.
Bro, don't touch me, bro.
Come on up.
Chill out, bro.
You need to come out.
All right, I'm coming.
Just guys, give it a second.
We're fine. We're fine. Hey, come on up. Come out.
Bro, come on. I'm not doing nothing, bro. Come on.
Let me see your hands. Put your hands up.
Hey,
Put your hands up.
they got out the car. Y'all got me so
Put your hands up.
I gave you the opportunity. You didn't want to come out.
Y'all got me so right now. On my grandma, y'all got me so right now. Cause
I told you I did not want to do that in front of the kids. Okay. All right. Go ahead and roll towards me.
All three of y'all big ass
10-15.
motherfuckers. Y'all some big ass. Cause what y'all pulling me out the car like that for?
All right, go ahead and stand up.
Y'all big as it only took one.
Come on over here.
Let me put my damn
Just
shoes.
that
Let me put my shoes on. Damn it.
Come back to the back of this car. Come on now. I didn't want to do that in front of all the kids.
Okay, with your big ass. They only took one. Well, why took three?
We gave the opportunity to step out and you didn't want to come out.
And you ain't want to talk either. You gonna tell me why you trying to detain me?
I told you, you have warrants out for your arrest.
I shouldn't.
Now that you're in cuffs, I can tell you have warrants out for possession of marijuana, disorderly conduct.
I don't. All that was dissolved. All that was good. And I ain't smoking mud. What you talking about? You lying. You lying.
Okay. Anything else on you need to know about? Poke me, stick me, hurt me? You want to switch lights?
Yeah.
During a search, police found several pills suspected to be oxycodone in her pocket.
On you.
You, stop talking to me.
Go ahead and put it in the car.
What you talking about? Stop talking to me.
All units stand by for general announcement. All units be advised southeast and southwest will be passing for the remainder. Southeast and southwest will be passing for the remainder.
Can you stay with these two pills real quick? Yeah. Those came out of her pocket. Right on. Yeah. Howdy, y'all. Okay, now I will be willing to talk to you. It's okay.
Nah, cause I don't really know. I don't want to talk, fam. You just look like you was gonna shoot me. You feel what I'm saying?
Now, because we're
hear
getting a
that. I
fight
don't
up
wanna hear
here.
that, bro. That's my sister, bro. That's
Okay.
me, man. I don't care, bro.
Well, I gave her the opportunity to step out.
Everybody raised different, bro. Everybody raised different. Y'all.
And I gave her the opportunity. I gave her the opportunity to not do this in front of the kids. Okay, you're free to go. Have a good one.
Your big ass. Your wife know you doing girls, females like this? Big ass motherfucker. Too big to be doing all that.
78636, repeating 786.
Then you got hit on the face. Did I really? Where? Oh, no, that was from earlier. Oh, that was fun. Okay. Yeah, I've been taking.
Come on.
Yeah, I'm thinking it's ibuprofen 800 and 200 right there. Okay.
The suspect began to vandalize and force the police to frame him.
Hate y'all, motherfucker.
No.
If you start that, I'm gonna tie your feet. You better knock it off.
You, I hate y'all, motherfucker. You.
I'll tell you what, I don't need her anymore. Can we just get her off to LCJ?
Yeah.
I'll follow you.
Yeah.
We'll start cleaning this mess up. Excuse me.
Let's go.
This is what it is. I'm going to be transporting the 1015.
Can you copy a starting mileage?
I see all y'all in court. I need all y'all names. My mama don't get up there. Make sure I get your name. I want your name and the mother fat ass bitches. I want all their names. It only took one of y'all to get me out the car. One, not three. I hope y'all cam badges, and I hope y'all cam badges was on. I hope all them cameras was on.
Oh wait, hold on. This one might be Oxy.
What's up?
This one might be Oxy, because look, it's IP 204. Yeah, it's showing it.
Is it Oxy?
Yeah.
Okay, it came right out of her right pocket.
And y'all couldn't even tell me what I was getting out the car for. We don't trust y'all. Y'all killers. We don't trust y'all.
Okay. All right. Sounds good. I'll do that once I get it.
Supposed to protect and serve. Y'all don't protect but your and each other.
Constantly cursing and insulting the police is the only thing she can do now.
Ma'am,
Hi.
look, I'm sorry that all had to happen, but
Okay.
I told her I did not want to do that in front of the kids.
Yeah.
She had warrants out for arrest. She has to go to jail.
Okay.
That's the bottom line, okay?
Okay.
I gave her plenty of opportunity to step out. She didn't want to. It's dangerous for anybody to be arguing while she's in control of that car.
Because you got a gun on you. You got a taser. A baton. Now, all that make you tough, huh? That make you so tough. You could take all that off. You feel like you got to save them up because you got all that on? Take it off. Go in the hood and take it off. Dirty cops. Dirty cops. Dirty, dirty.
Then she was charged with resisting without violence and possession of legend drug without prescription. After the video was posted on the internet, people shared their thoughts in some comments. That car has hit everything except the lottery. You don't hate cops. What you hate is personal responsibility. Refuses to get out of the car, then wonders why they needed to pull her out of the car. It's so cringe and embarrassing. That's messy. So what about the third case?
We live in Boynton. She was going to a job interview because her mom works over here. There's yes,
Yeah.
we're gonna be.
On October 3rd, 2023, officers were dispatched to a residence following reports of a domestic battery incident involving a heated altercation between two individuals.
How can
On
I
my
help
way
you?
to an interview.
You have an interview? Is that what you
Supposed
said?
to.
Did you call us? So what's the reason that you called?
6429 expired and
A domestic violence. We got into an altercation. Around the corner right here.
You and who? You and who?
My ex.
Your
Yeah.
who is now gone.
Oh, she's here.
Okay. Where is she?
White Toyota Yaris.
Where is it?
It was just parked over here.
Okay, what happened?
We was on the way to get my papers from my mom for my interview, my resume and my certificate. But I seen this morning, normally when it's not about her, she does little things. But the morning I seen, she wasn't making like an effort to help me. So I was just like, you know what? Okay, well, you can stay home and I'll go handle what I need to handle. She was like, she had to get the rent. So instead of staying home, she was like, I'm gonna come. So I was on the phone talking to my best friend about the situation. So she felt some type of way because I was talking about her on the phone. We get in the car, almost here. We're still going back and forth. Mind you, in the car, she's messing with the car thing, driving crazy, trying to get keys from me, everything.
She's driving.
She's
You're
driving.
in the passenger.
I had the keys. We have two separate keys. A pink set is hers. The blue set is mine. So it's her car, but my house keys on there. My father's on there from my old job. So we're on the way here, and she pushed me. So I say, push me in the car. Push me again, I'm gonna hit you back. Mind you, she broke my hand before.
The police continued to question the remaining person. Deja admitted everything.
What happened?
I need my. If she want to call you, I need my.
Can I open this the rest of the way so I can talk to you?
Yes.
What happened?
I just need my keys and my ID and I'll go.
You need your keys?
Yes, and my ID and I can go.
Did anything else happen?
No, I don't want to talk about it. I don't think
Some kind of argument?
Yes, we got in an argument, but it's not that deep to the garage out like you should. I just want my keys in my wallet so I can go.
You just want your keys in your wallet?
I want my keys in my ID so I can go. That's all I want.
She has your ID?
I want my keys in my ID so I can go.
Who has your
Okay.
ID? What's your name? Deja?
Yes.
Alright, Deja. Who has your keys in your wallet? Harry. Hey, how you doing? What's going on, Deja?
I just want my partner to come out with my stuff, and I don't feel like all of this is I don't feel like any of this is necessary.
That's your daughter?
Yeah. Okay.
What's going on?
They just called me. I work for the city around the corner.
They
And
called
my
you?
daughter, no, she called me about a dispute they're having. What are you trying to get from Yolanda? Your keys and what? Okay, let me get that from her.
Can we conference for a second?
What happened here? Huh?
I don't want to talk about it. We got into an argument. And that's it.
You got into an argument and what happened? Is this car in your name?
Yes.
It's your car? Alright. You said y'all got into an argument. What happened after the argument?
We got into an argument. I really don't want to talk about it.
Listen, we were called here and we have a job to do. I just want to understand the basic. You don't have to tell me the detail of what the argument was about because that's your privacy. I understand that.
Deja just wanted some things to leave, but things turned out differently.
Okay, the honest truth is we did get into a little fight and I started it.
And what do you mean when you say you started it?
I pushed her, so I did. And I do apologize for that. But she got my keys and got my wallet and got my ID. So
when you say you pushed her, where did you push her?
On her shoulder.
How did you push her? And why did you push her?
So you said you were not going into details and stuff. I don't want to go into those are not that's uncomfortable. It was just stuff that was sensitive to me and she was being harsh and I had pushed her.
No, I didn't mean that the details of what the argument was about. I'm saying like did she get in your face or what were some other reasons why would you need to put her push her away from you?
Because she just started getting ruder with her comments and stuff and everything. So it was I got mad at her.
You got mad?
I was just upset at her at the time. Okay. I just want my house keys and stuff so I can go. No, I want my apartment keys so I can go.
Okay. All right. Give me 1 second. Okay.
Deja was taken into custody, panicking and struggling to grasp the reality of her arrest.
Neither one of them want to move forward with any charges or anything.
I'm not pressing charges on her.
That's the thing, is it doesn't matter. The state of Florida does not require a prosecuting victim. The state will prosecute without your cooperation or her cooperation.
On the way to the interview.
You know? You called. She didn't call. You called.
What's your name?
But you also said that you punched her.
Lieutenant Lavinia and speak with you.
Hell, it's Morgado.
Hey, sir. Can you step out for me, please? Alright. Turn around for me. You're handcuffing me? Yes,
Yeah.
You're gonna be going to jail for battery.
Are you serious?
Hey, can you use yours? Oh, yeah, mine are too.
Yeah.
Hold on.
You got it?
Yeah. Put your hands together, it's a little bit more comfortable.
Wait, are you serious? I don't have anything. No.
Huh?
I don't have anything like on here. Whatever. Let's go.
What is it?
Relax. I'm gonna explain to you what's gonna happen.
Okay, let's walk to my car over there, okay?
Deja feared having a criminal record, yet she never considered the consequences before creating this chaos.
I'm gonna explain it to you. Just give me 1 second.
This is gonna be my criminal record.
Is your first time being arrested?
Yes.
Okay, Deja, take a deep breath. Deja, can you take a deep breath for me, please? 4 now for 2-1. Two's gonna have a black female, 10-15, 31 deep. Listen to me, Deja. Listen. Can I explain to you what's gonna happen? Listen. You're gonna go to, right now you're gonna go to jail, right? You're gonna see the judge. It's your first time being arrested, okay? This is because it's purely domestic between you and your partner, okay? She didn't, regardless if she wanted to press charges or not, we still have a job to do. You understand me? When you people argue, when couples argue, you keep your hands to yourself. You understand? You clearly told me you guys were arguing, you pushed her. I can't take it out. They're gonna have to cut it at the jail. Okay? So it's, listen, you talk to the judge. It's your first time. So you'll be given an attorney and all of that, go through the process. They'll explain everything to you. Okay? Do you have a phone number of somebody we can call and let them know your car's here?
I don't have any family in Florida.
Where are you from?
I'm from Maryland. Well, I moved here a few years ago.
Do you have your cell phone in the car?
My cell phone.
Your cell phone and your wallet's in the car.
All right. We'll
What color is your
bring that
wallet?
with you.
What color is your wallet? Black. Black. All right. We'll take care of it.
The police spoke with Deja's mother, detailing the incident and updating her about the suspect.
Why you have on gloves?
Because I had to search her. I'll write the number down because I gotta get the stuff. Ma'am?
Yes.
Your daughter is Deja?
Yes.
Okay, she's already in the police car. I'm gonna try to get her wallet and everything. I can write you. She's being locked up for domestic battery. Deja's mom?
Okay, so she's not her child. Like, that's my perfect child.
Deja, I'm gonna grab your mom. Your mom called. I'm gonna grab her.
Oh my God.
She's okay. Listen.
No, mama.
She's not mad at you. She's concerned for you. She's not mad at you. Listen. Well, she doesn't sound like she's mad at you. She's concerned for you. Do you know her phone number by heart?
Yeah.
Okay, so she if you're able to make a phone call when you get there, she wants you to call her.
Oh my God.
All right?
Deja was arrested and charged with domestic violence. However, due to their history of conflict, police recognized the toxic nature of their relationship and advised them to keep their distance. Considering the ridiculous circumstances, the following comments emerged after the video was released and are very significant. The mom thinks she is above the law. Please stop calling your mothers to the scene to handle your foolishness, especially when you're supposedly grown yourself. These abusive rainbow relationships are a lot more than we know.
Yeah, here you go. Give me my phone. Give me my phone. I have done nothing wrong. Give me my phone. Let go of me.
Are you good, Miss Lightfoot?
Let go of me. I have done nothing wrong. Let go of me. Let go of me. Let me grab my phone.
Hey, Miss, how are you?
I have done nothing wrong.
Relax for a second, just relax.
Guys.
It's not very nice. Watch your feet.
Haley! Haley! I have done nothing wrong to get arrested!
Relax, man.
Grab my phone. Right there. Grab my phone. Grab my phone.
Let go of your keys. Do you understand me?
What have I done wrong to be detained?
Let go of
How
your
am I being
keys.
detained? How am I being detained?
I'm gonna knee strike
Tell
you
me.
if you don't let go of your keys.
Knee strike me. How am I being detained? How am I being detained?
I'll speak to the clerk again.
It's a little wilderness.
Yeah.
You should probably stop, okay? You should probably stop doing that.
Oh, she's super okay. How am I being detained? How am I being detained? Tell me, how am I being detained? What have I done wrong? Tell me. There we go.
You could have prevented that.
Chill out. What the have I done wrong?
You could have prevented that from
What
happening.
the
I would stop doing that, okay?
What the I done wrong? What the I done wrong? What the I done wrong? No, tell me to my face. Tell me what the have I done wrong?
Well, you're having issues listening. Let's start with that.
Wait, look. What the I done wrong? Haley!
I don't know,
Haley!
if they're doing the traffic crash.
Haley, what the I done wrong?
Hey, can you just calm
Okay,
down?
no, but look.
Just calm down.
I've never been arrested in my life, and what the
Okay?
Why? Why?
Okay? For an investigation.
For what?
For an investigation.
Can I look at you for a second?
No, you can't, actually.
Because what the Can I talk to you for a second? I've never been arrested in my life. Where's my purse? No, can I talk to you for a second? Look, can I guys talk to you for a second? I've never been arrested in my life. Can I please talk to you?
A friend who was with her told police they had both been drinking, but Caroline insisted on driving.
What was the argument over, miss?
We came from the bar. We were both drinking. And we got in the truck, and I insisted on driving because I felt like I was more sober, which I'm not. But she was very prominent on driving, so I let her drive. We hit this curve right here coming out, and I stopped her and I said, Caroline, let me drive. It'll be fine, which it's not.
Which
it wasn't.
curve?
I'm not okay to drive.
Which curve?
This close. It's the one over there by the white side. And I felt her hit it, and I said, Caroline, let me drive. She said, no, I'm fine, I'm fine, I'm fine. And I got out and I tried to put the slip in that we got coming in. And the young lady over there talking to the other officer, she came over eventually and said, do you need help? And I said, yes, ma'am. And she's like, you're in the wrong lane for, I don't know, like there's an exit or whatever? Yeah, the wrong exit. That one's for like a primary resident, and this one is for visitors or whatever. So, in that exit, she said, Caroline said, I'm fine, don't worry about it. After the lady came over and tried to help us and told us, hey, you're in the wrong lane, I said, let me drive. I'll drive. I'll take care of it. And but that's where our argument began, because she wanted to drive and I wanted to drive, and in my heart I knew neither one of us could drive. And she got very aggressive, and I just walked away. I walked on the street, and then she came out saying the cops are coming. I was like, well, if they have to come, they have to come. I don't know what to tell you. She was like, we have to leave, and I'm like, no. We're not leaving. My purse is in the garage. My phone. I have to work in the morning. It was not supposed to end this way. So
Kudos to this female police officer for her calmness.
What do you not understand?
Because Haley was walking down the same sidewalk as me.
So.
And we got arrested for walking down the sidewalk.
Let me know when you're done.
So why am I arrested for walking down the sidewalk?
You're not under arrest right now.
No.
You're being detained.
For what?
So, in order for me to answer that question, I need to read from here to here.
No.
That's how it works.
Okay, but listen.
It doesn't matter right now.
My friend Haley.
You can tell me that once I finish reading this.
No.
Once I finish reading this,
I don't
then you
know.
can ask me.
My friend Haley.
So I'm going to continue.
No, ma'am. No.
You have the right to talk to a lawyer for
no.
advice before we ask you any questions.
I want to know why my friend Haley got to walk down the
If you cannot afford a lawyer,
sidewalk
one will be
as
appointed
me.
for you before any questions if you wish.
No.
If you decide to answer
Ma'am,
questions without a lawyer
listen.
present, you will still have the right to stop answering at any time.
Why did
You will also have the right to stop answering questions anytime until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand each of these?
I want to talk to a lawyer.
Do you understand each of these rights? I've explained to you.
Why did my friend Haley get to walk away when I did not get to walk away?
So what part of that did you not understand?
Everything.
So would you like me to read it again?
No, my friend Haley.
So what
got
part
to
did you
walk
not
away
understand?
when I did not get to walk away.
So what part do you not understand of this?
Everything.
Would you like me to start again?
I want my phone and I want
Would
to
you
call
like
my
me to start?
lawyer.
Would you like me to start
No.
again? Okay.
My friend got to walk
So
away.
it appears that you understand this.
No.
Have you previously requested any
I don't
lawful?
understand.
Okay.
Why
then
did my friend
then I
get
need
to
you
walk
to
away?
answer. I need you to answer.
Why
what
did my
don't you
friend
understand?
get to walk away and I did not? When I have not done a damn thing. Why
So,
didn't know? I
have you
want to know.
previously
I want to
requested
know.
any
One thing's for sure, when chaos collides with the law, it never ends well for them. What do you think about these cases? Drop a comment below, hit like if you want more, and subscribe to Law Files to stay updated on wild encounters like these.